welcome to another video. In today's video I am doing something slightly different because I will be doing my nails. Obviously I am not a beauty YouTuber and I am no expert in stuff like that, but I do like to have my nails done from time to time. So when Madame Glam reached out to me to offer me some nail polishes and stuff like that to try out in a video, I was like, yep, sure. So if you don't know who Madame Glam is, they make different types of nail polishes and their mission is to make carefully sourced salon quality nail polishes, and they are vegan, cruelty free. There's lots of different colors. They offer lamps and kits to get you started. Their shop is amazing. So they've sent me a kit to get a full manicure. So I've got a mini lamp and a box with some nail polishes and also a top coat and a base, and they are really good colors, all of them. I have had my nails done a few times, gel nails, hybrids, however you call them, not acrylic, the other type, but I've never actually done them myself. When I want to do my nails myself, I just use regular nail polishes which come off within like 5 days and they need to be redone completely. So the fact that I can get my own gel nails done that hopefully will last 2 weeks or even longer is brilliant. So without further ado, let's just get cracking. Okay, so I've got my setup here, so I'll protect the table with some paper. This is the box which has 3 lovely colors, a base coat and a top coat, and then they've sent me this cute little lamp. It's a travel size. It folds into a tiny thing. Okay, so my setup is ready and it's time to pretend that I know what I'm doing. So I have already filed my nails. They are a bit longer but not too long. I like them like this. I filed the edges so that they are a bit rounded, and I washed my hands so they look a bit dry, but I know my nails need to be clean and dry in order for this to work properly. The lamp has 2 settings. 1 click is 45 seconds and 2 clicks is 60 seconds. So I think for this I'll just use the shorter one, but then once I've got color on I'll go for the longer one, just because I think that's how I should do it. First layer, base coat. Right, I know I need to try and not put any of this stuff on my cuticles because that is really bad. My sister does nails actually and all the beauty stuff, so she's done my nails many times, so I feel like I know what I'm doing. Right, so now it's time to apply colour. Ooh, it's so blue! Okay, so the colour's done. It took 2 layers. Now it's time for the top coat. Now I did go into some cuticles, not gonna lie, some of them look a bit messy, but that was my first time, so it's not the end of the world. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching me pretend to know what I'm doing with my nails. I think they turned out quite nice considering that was my first time. If you'd like to try Madame Glam, then they've offered me a discount to offer to my viewers, so the discount code allows you to get 30% off their products. So if you'd like to use this discount, the code is Monica030. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.